Okay, Cherif. Since I came home from my career to raise the kids, we've been a one-income family, and that's like almost 20 years. And so we've kind of struggled through the years and not really been able to enjoy things that other people do. And so now that my kids are grown up, like you said, it's my time. But before I met you, I was thinking, okay, I was praying, Lord, what do we do now? I mean, I really want my heart really wants to help Emil and to help him get out of his workplace, because it's very burdensome for him to the commute and all that, and I really want to see him fly, and I want to see him just enjoy life and pursue his passion, and so I was like reflecting on my life. Okay, what am I good at? What can I do to help him? And some of the things that I felt like God was showing me was, okay, well, something that promotes bearing fruit and increasing in number, something that has authority, something that has accountability, partnership, because these are the things that will cause somebody to grow. And so from that one championship mindset conference, you were the one that stuck out as, and it wasn't a question in my mind that this is it. It was almost like God told me that to look for these things, and you had it. So even though I personally don't have any experience in real estate, or even I've never had a desire for it or an interest, it was a miracle that I had an interest in yours, and I was drawn to it. So that in itself was like, I knew that it was from God to move forward and kind of encourage Emil to go. And I was excited that he was excited for it. I didn't know why I was excited, but but now I do, because I'm continually being excited. I know my mind is elementary to the concepts here, but I don't know. I am recording because I want to be listening to and reviewing all the videos, like on the plane and whenever I have a free moment, because I want to know this. I want to be able to be professional at this. So, with God's help and with everyone's help, I'll get there one definition at a time. So.
Yeah, all right.